You guys, does she have a long tail or a short tail? Very short, you guys noticed. Very good. Does anyone know why she has that very short tail? There's a very important reason. What do you think? Oh, I think it's not the right thing. So it's to prevent frostbite. If her tail is too long, it might fall off due to frostbite. And what color is at the end of her ears and the end of her tail? Black. Any idea why it might be black at the end of her ears and tail? What do you think? To attract the sun is exactly right, which also helps prevent frostbite. Now guys, I want to talk a little bit about her behavior. Do you guys think she acts a lot like a house cat or not much like a house cat? Almost identical to a house cat. One thing I've always found surprising working with cats is how wild house cats are. Our dogs, oh buddy, there behind the white line. Buddy there behind the white line. This is how we start accidental feeding demonstrations. All right, buddy, bumps glued, bumps glued. So guys, I've worked with everything from lions, cougars, house cats, lynxes, and I've always been amazed how wild our domestic cats are. Dogs are much more domesticated than house cats are. Dogs have diverged much further away from their wild ancestors than cats have from their wild ancestors. If you look at their genes, dogs have changed a lot more. When you guys see her playing after the presentation, if you have any cats at home, you're going to notice this animal does everything that your house cat does. If you give her a cardboard box and a lion a cardboard box and your house cat a cardboard box, they will all behave exactly the same way. One of her favorite toys are smelly shoes and feet. So usually I give her something like a smelly shoe. She usually starts sticking her head in and rubbing against it and playing with it. So you guys will get to see her play just like that after the presentation. Now guys, raise your hand if you have a cat at home. Lots of you guys have cats at home. Guys, I can tell you everything you need to know about her behavior in one sentence. She is a cat. Which means she is very friendly and cuddly some of the time. She wants to take her claws out and swipe at your hand and play with you with her claws some of the time. She wants to ignore you and just play with her cardboard boxes and toys some of the time. So guys, is there any way to let 1,000 people a day pat her safely? No, she's actually friendlier than almost every house cat I have ever met.